Hey guys, welcome back. I know it has been a very long time since I've been on my channel. A lot has happened over the year that I've been gone. Just in case you care, I'm going to catch you up on my life a little bit. I am now officially married. I am in a new space, as you can kind of tell. I have moved to a wonderful neighborhood and live in a nice house. I lost a lot of weight and then gained it all right back. Everything is just so different. Everything has changed a lot. And I just wanted to kind of take a break just to get my life together. It's still not completely together. So I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, trying to get back into the creativity of makeup because I've honestly been in a rut for a while and I thought that Halloween was a good time to do that. So I have a very nice look planned for you guys. I've looked back on the videos that I've done before and I never did a spider look. So that is what I'm going to be doing. Technically a spider web, and I will be doing a kind of glam look with a spider web on my forehead and some gems, some rhinestones, some glitter. I'm excited for you guys to see it. So without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right on in. All right, so I'm gonna be prepping my eyelids and doing my eyebrows off camera just to make it a little bit quicker. And I'm gonna be jumping into my Juvia's Place, the Mauves eyeshadow palette, and taking the top center shade, which is obviously my favorite. And I'm going to be pressing that into my crease with a dense brush. And I'll be adding a dark matte purple from Makeup Forever on the outer part of my crease. You can use any dark matte purple, I'm not too sure if they still make this one anymore. And I'll be setting my brow bone with a white eyeshadow, then taking those two purple shades, I'm going to be blending them up just to kind of smoke them out. And I will now be cutting my crease with a Q-tip and a makeup wipe just to kind of get rid of any excess concealer. And then I'm going to be adding a cream concealer on a nail brush, and I'm going above my natural crease just to help my eyes look a little bit more open and less closed off. This is a really good technique if you have hooded eyes like mine and you want to try and do a nice dramatic cut crease. Now that both eyes are done, we'll be setting that with a silver eyeshadow from the Urban Decay Electric palette. I know, it is a very old palette, but I really like that eyeshadow color. And I will be pressing that and packing it onto my lid just to make sure it is nice and set. And it'll create a nice base for our NYX glitter. It's a silver glitter with some green reflex. And I will be using, obviously, the NYX glitter glue on that as well. And I'll be packing this all over my lid, but I'm going to be leaving a space around my lash line so that I can use a liquid liner and it not look bumpy. I will now be using a MAC liquid liner and I will be using it on my cut crease as well as my wing. Alrighty, so now that my eyes are done, I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of my face. And when I come back, we'll finish up the eyes. Alrighty, so I'm going to do my lower lash line now. I'll be using the same two purple eyeshadows that I did before, nothing too crazy. I will now be using a black liner from MAC, the color Excess, and I'll be using that on my waterline. And I'm now going to be taking a brown eyeshadow and a small dense brush, and I'm going to be mapping out my web. So this is something that I used a reference photo for. That way I could really get a nice guide for me to commit to black liner. And because I was really liking my mirror, I was not able to show a lot of my line work just because I had to be very close up to my mirror. So this is the final result of the web. And I'm now just going to be adding some gems just to kind of bring out a little bit more of the glitter. And I felt like my web was a little too matte. I really wanted to add a little bit more glitter to it. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I wanted to add some just to kind of go with the entire look. And I dusted away the excess particles so it looks like this. Now I'm going to be doing my lashes and lips off camera, and when I come back, it'll be the final look. I am absolutely obsessed with this look. I had so much fun making it, so much fun filming it, and I really like how it turned out. I like all the glitter, I like all the rhinestones. I really feel like it makes the look. I think it's a really good option for Halloween this year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and leave a comment down below, and you will see me in my next video. Happy Halloween!